Bitcoin value history. As the primary digital money to stir things up around town, Bitcoin has separated many walls in the space and made a pathway for different undertakings to thrive. Despite the fact that BTC was viewed as the best crypto for quite a while, different coins have jumped up that have engaging use cases that definitely stand out away from Bitcoin. Notwithstanding, numerous financial backers actually hope to purchase Bitcoin because of its worth potential and low unpredictability comparative with different coins. In its most fundamental sense, Bitcoin is a decentralized shared, peer-to-peer, computerized cash that confirms exchanges through blockchain innovation. This innovation is generally utilized in the present digital money market, yet back in 2009, when BTC was sent off, the idea was strange to most ventures. Bitcoin's maker, Satoshi Nakamoto, has stayed mysterious since distributing his well-known white paper in 2008, in which he point by point the particulars of how Bitcoin would work. BTC's very first block was mined in mid-2009, and the coin quickly started getting forward momentum, from educated understudies and developers. Nakamoto then, at that point, gave over control of the code to one more designer in 2010, and has not been seen or heard from since. The first recorded BTC cost was in July 2010, when the coin started exchanging at $0.0008. Financial backers hoping to purchase digital currency and gain openness to this new innovation helped drive Bitcoin's cost throughout the next years, seeing BTC's cost hit $250 in 2013. Notwithstanding, it was only after mid-2017 that Bitcoin entered the standard. The cost of Bitcoin rose a stunning 2,300% all through the last 50% of 2017, breaking the $19,000 level. A supported bear market followed this high, which saw Bitcoin lose around 85% of its worth. A couple of irregular bullish spikes were spotted around during this time span, albeit the genuine development started in late 2020. From September 2020 until April 2021, Bitcoin rose by more than 540%, hitting a high of $64,700. Yet again after a short pullback, the cost flooded, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $68,789, as indicated by Coin Market Cap. In any case, this high was temporary, and the cost of Bitcoin dropped by almost 75% among then, at that point, and November 2022. All the more as of late, the Bitcoin stock cost today has been hit hard by the aftermath from FTX's breakdown. In spite of the fact that BTC wasn't straightforwardly involved, the virus impact from the disappointment has provoked numerous financial backers to sell their crypto property. This has had the lamentable impact of making Bitcoin's cost fall. Hence, at the hour of composing, Bitcoin is exchanging around the $16,800 level. It seems the cost might be floating towards the $15,000 level, which financial backers trust will go about as help because of its mental significance. Before we plunge into our Bitcoin cost expectation, here's a concise outline of the point examined so far. Satoshi Nakamoto distributed his Bitcoin white paper in October 2008. Bitcoin's open source code was formally delivered in January 2009. Bitcoin's previously recorded cost was $0.0008 in July 2010. Bitcoin hit a high of $19,000 in 2017. Following this high, BTC goes on a lengthy bear run and loses 85% of its worth. Bitcoin recuperates and hits an untouched high of $68,789 in November 2021. Bitcoin gets through a terrible beginning to 2022, with the coin running somewhere in the range of $35,000 and $40,000. It deteriorates from that point, with the coin falling underneath $25,000 in June. BTC currently exchanging underneath $20,000 in November 2022. Albeit 2022 has addressed a long bear market, bear markets, like positively trending markets, don't endure forever. The following Bitcoin dividing is supposed to occur in mid-2024, and as reception develops and the splitting methodologies, another bull run ought to arise, which is the reason our Bitcoin cost expectation for 2023 evaluations the coin could test new highs and be worth as much as $75,000 by